Caught a bird.
Lapay.
What's it?
Lapay.
Lapay?
Kita ko paglupad, abi lang na kong dahon.
Lapay?
Oh. Abi lang na kong dahon basa ko anak palid.
Arlene catch him? Will he bite? Lapay?
Lapay.
Oh. Hey. Wow, nice feathers. Gonna let him go.
Oh.
Oh. Mocha.
Oo, bulot.
In the window? Oh, are you gonna put him in a cage or are you gonna let him go?
Yung gata na nalay.
Cage for now. I didn't try to feed. Oy, baby, pamananay.
He'll probably die in the
Dali
cage.
ka uno sa iro, ba?
Oo, makuanin mo. Gawas ko nito na luto.
Dali sa alay. Asa man yung kasihang pagkadamag?
Lapay.
Makalusot siya diha, ay?
Lusot na na.
Katinindot lagi siya ko, ante.
Lagi sa bintana. Gusto siya gusto sa pasto ba?
Hindi na na, buhian lang nanay.
Ano rin sa skill to?
Ang lagay na.
Buhian ba?
Ang lusot. Iniiro. Panon man sila.
He'll get away. He'll go right out. Yeah.
Ayos, yes.
Okay na.
Like, klaro.
Dog.
Kay kaon naman ang iro, nay.
Buhian lang nilito ko. Ano?
Ba't sila buhian sa layo?
Layo.
Like, paano na sila?
Yun eh. Nakakita ko nga naimurog yung lupad. O nga na paduong nagtuo ko. Kanang dahon sa kuan ba na palit.
Ano, gani na naman nila sa bantay ko na yung tagaptak mo. Di siguro na.
Yeah, he took a peck at the camera, knocked it off, knocked it down. I don't know, they're getting some kind of cage for him or something. I think we ought to let him go. Huh? He's got a really long beak. Okay, I looked it up. It's Lapay bird. It's a type of a heron, great billed heron. This one must be a young one. It's a type of a heron. He's gonna let him go. There, he just tossed him up into the air. It's a young one.